Good morning everyone. Today is the topic of pollination. The transfer of pollen grains. Can you see these pollen grains? These are the pollen grains. The transfer of pollen grains from anther to stigma is known as pollination. And we have already known what is pollination, right? Now it's the time to read what are the causes of pollination and what are the agents of pollination and what is cross pollination, right? And what are the agents for this pollination and what are the incomplete flowers and what are the complete flowers. So can you see this hibiscus rosa sinensis? This is the biological name of this flower, and there are the pollen grains. Can you see the pollen grains over here? These pollen grains is coming out from the ovary of this flower, and this is the place. This is the place where the ovary is situated. This is the place where the ovary is situated of this particular flower, and in this ovary there are two different kinds of gamete. One is female gamete and one is male gamete. And when the male gametes combine with the female gametes, both gametes are combined to each other, and that combination is also called fertilization, right? Yes. Fertilization. When male gametes and female gametes are combined together, there are two types of method by which these two gametes are combined. First one is what? Self-pollination, and second one is cross-pollination. The self-pollination happens in those type of flowers where their anther and stigma are present in the same place, and both of them are combined together in the same ovary, right? And let's take an example of complete flower and incomplete flower. Can you see these two different kind of flowers? Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
These two different kind of flower. This flower is totally completed and this flower is incomplete, and the petal of this particular rose is combined together. Can you see that? All the petals are combined with each other, and these petals are wrinkled and separated from each other. So these kind of flowers are called incomplete flower, and this one is called complete flower. And what the reason behind that? And the reason is the same thing. This flower is fertilized from the agent like bees, butterflies, and these are the pollen grains present on this flower. Can you see the pollen grains over here? Pollen grains. These are the outer pollen grains, and these pollen grains are covered from the petals. Can you see that? You can't see the pollen grains. आप इन दोनों ही flowers को देखिएगा ध्यान से, तो इसके जो pollen grains है वो बाहर की तरफ निकले हुए हैं, और इसके जो pollen grains है वो अंदर की तरफ क्या है? Covered है. Can you see that? So these pollen grains cannot be identified by the external agent. Like butterfly will never be able to catch these pollen grains. Am I right? But these pollen grains can easily be identified by the butterflies. And whenever the butterfly combine with these pollen grains, and when the butterflies go on another flower or another kind of rose, it will provide the female or male gametes to another flower, and by the combination of male and female gametes, it will cause fertilization. And with the help of those fertilization, it will create pollination. Right? Understand?